Hello everyone, welcome back to my session. My name is Ramesh. In today's session, we are going to discuss about what is diamond problem in Java. This is one of the most important and common entry question. Let's check it. What is a diamond problem and how can we resolve it in multiple ways actually. In Java, the diamond problem is related to multiple inheritance. Sometimes it is also known as a deadly diamond problem or deadly diamond of death. In this session, we will learn what is the diamond problem in Java and what is the solution to the diamond problem. Let's check it in high level diagram. What is diamond problem? See, this is class A and this is class B and this is, assume that this is class C and this is class D. Okay, this is the class D. This is class D. Let's connect it. So this is class A, right? This is class A and this is class B and this is class C and the last one is this is class D. Assume that class A has display method, class B also having display method and class C also having display method, class D also having display method. Assume that class B extends class A, this will work fine. Class C extends class C, this will also work fine. Okay, if class D extends B and C, okay, by using extends keyword, we can extend only one class at a time. Assume that it will allow actually, okay, for time being. If class D extends B and C, then both classes are having display method. Compiler will get confused whenever we call it display method, right? Which display method to be called, either B class display method or C class display method. Even these two classes also extending this one, right? Again, so it will just get confused, which display method to call, by using dereference. This is how, the diamond problem exists actually, okay? By using, interfaces, we can just resolve this issue. Let's check it, what is the diamond problem now? Okay, for that, I'm going to create class A here, okay? And now I'm just going to create public void display method. Okay, display method. Now just putting some sysout here inside. Okay, class A display method. Okay, just to save our time, I'm just copying this. Okay, now I'm creating another class called class B. So as we discussed, right? Okay, this is also having same display method. Okay, just to change the class B display method. Okay, another class I'm going to create C class C. Okay, now copy the same method here also. Okay, instead of A, just put the C here, and the final one is class D. Okay, class D, so which is having main method. So now I'm going to create, put the same display method. This is the class D display method. Okay, so now what I can do is, okay, now I will create A equal to new A. Okay, so if I create A, right, A dot display method, it will work fine any without any issue. Let's try to run this one. See here, see here inside class A display method. Okay, inside class A display method. Assume that another way, like another class B equal to new B. Okay, B dot display method. Directly we are calling. This is the traditional way, right? If I check it inside class A, inside class B, even if we create C also, it will work fine. New C. Okay, C dot display method. Okay, so now if we call this one C also, it will get display. Now I'm creating DD equal to new D. Okay, this will also work fine without any issues because we are calling directly D's display method. This will also work fine. ABCD display method, it will get called. But assume that if we are extending, okay, assume that if we extends D extends C comma, okay, okay, B comma C, okay, only it will allow only one class actually we can extend it, okay. Assume that like even C also it will allow, okay. In this case, okay, so the compiler get confused, get if we are creating instance of actually D equal to new C or new B, right, it will get confused like which display method, either B display method or C display method, which one it should call actually. This is nothing but diamond problem, okay. So to avoid this one, what we need to do is, okay, we will just achieve this one by using interface concepts. For example, I'm going to create new interface, okay. So I'm just creating interface and putting the same like public, okay, default default method introduced in the Java 8 actually, okay, and display method I'm just giving, okay. So now I'm just sysout giving, okay. Here I'm just going to give inside, okay, interface a display method, okay, display method I'm just giving it now. Let's copy this to save our time. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to create another interface, okay, interface bb, okay. Now I'm just putting bb here, okay. Now I'm creating another interface called cc, okay, which is having, so this one cc. So now I'm creating another class, new class called dd, which is having main method. And now what I'm doing is implements keyword I'm using, okay. Implements a baby cc. We can implement actually more than like one interface by using implements keyword, but only the thing is we need to just override it actually, okay, the corresponding methods. Let's check it like public, see here, override the interface implement method. So this is how we need to just call it actually, okay. So creating dd equal to new dd, okay. So we're just calling dd dot display method, okay. So we are calling this display method actually. Just let's cut this one here and put it like here actually. Now we are calling, see here, a display method. Similarly, we can call another display method also like bbb display method, and calling ccc display method, okay, cc display method. Let's see how it will. I will just explain it. See here, what we are doing here, we have created AA interface, BA, BBC interface AA, okay, which is having public default methods, okay, and BB also it is having default methods, okay, this one, and CC also it is having default method, and I have created one class called DD which implements AA, BB, CC interfaces by using implements keyword, which is like multiple inheritance, like cannot be supported in Java, but through interfaces we can support it actually, okay. So I have overridden like this display method here in the subsequent classes, okay, that is in the derived class we can say. Inside this one I have created object of ddd and dd.display method. As soon as we call this one, this will go and get call here and then invoke the corresponding display methods actually. AA means then a corresponding AA display method will be called, BB means BB display method will be called, CC means CC display method will be called. Let's check it like there is no problem here now, right? I'm just called running here, see here, see inside AA display method, BB display method, CC display method. If you want to call like another another statement also, we can put it here like inside DD, okay, display method. This will also get called actually, okay. See, inside dd display method. That is the first one it will be gets called, and as we are mentioning super dot display method by using like an AA interface name dot okay super dot display method. This is all about like multiple inheritance actually. Okay, this is also nothing but multiple inheritance cannot be supported actually by using classes, but by using interface level using default methods implementation, like we can achieve it actually. Okay, this is diamond problem. Okay, so as we know that by looking at this diagram we can see that like this is diamond problem, and by using implements keyboard, okay, using default methods we can achieve it. This is all about like how we can just I mean resolve the diamond problem in Java by using implements or interface concepts actually. Okay, if you like the content, please like this video, share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. In next video we will come up with another new interesting topic. Okay, thank you.